We had talked about abstract classes, and abstract classes allow you to create method definitions that must be overridden from derived classes. And you can kind of think of it like a blueprint for how you want the class to behave. It doesn't have to always be followed, and you can have an abstract class which has virtual methods, which those do not have to be overridden. But if you have abstract methods, those have to be overridden. So let's go ahead and create a abstract class. Public abstract class animal. And we'll just go ahead and create two methods in here. Public abstract void speak, because all animals speak, but all animals speak differently. And public virtual void eat. So all animals eat, and a lot of animals can eat the exact same way. Console.write line, and I'll just add a string in here. Animal eating from inside an animal class. So this is an abstract class, and we have one abstract method and one virtual method. So when we go ahead and inherit this class, we have to implement the abstract method, but we don't have to implement the virtual method. Class dog. A dog is an animal. And now this is going to be underlined because we have to implement that abstract inherited member. So we have to do public override void speak. And console.write dog goes bark. And so now everything is happy. So we have this virtual method from here that we are not overriding inside of our derived class. We have our abstract method here, which we do have to override in our abstract class. And now we can go ahead and create an instance of the derived class. New dog, and novo.speak, and novo.eat. And notice that both of these will still work because speak is the override in the dog class. Eat is the virtual method inside of the abstract class. You'll notice that each of those writes out the line to the console. So the important thing is we implemented the abstract method, and we had to, but we did not implement the virtual method. We could, but we decided not to because animal already has that. So they are useful when you need to create a class where some of it needs to be implemented, but some of it does not need to be implemented. The other problem with abstract classes is you can't do multiple inheritance. So let's say that we had another class, public abstract class other animal, other animals, for instance, and we'll just public abstract void different speak. So let's say we have this one. You cannot inherit this other animal's class at the same time. You can inherit one class. Notice that this is complaining because we haven't implemented different speak, but we cannot inherit both animal and other animals at the same time in our derived class. And that's one of the downsides to abstract classes is this multiple inheritance does not work. I mean, I say it's a downside, but some people say that that's an upside because multiple inheritance can lead to weird and unexpected problems. But sometimes it is still useful and sometimes it is necessary, and that's where interfaces come into play. And so that's what we will talk about in the next video.